For those that are not familiar with what a pedestal sink is, this is what it looks like. If you're planning on removing your own pedestal sink, then this is the video for you. For the tools needed for this project, you're gonna need 3 types of wrenches: the channel lock, basin, and adjustable. This is how those 3 wrenches look like. Before you begin unscrewing or removing connections, it is always a good idea to take a picture of what it is in the back for reference on how to put it back. Then turn off the water supply and don't forget to put the container in a rag to ensure that it catches the water spills. Turn the faucet knobs to release any excess water. Use the adjustable wrench to unscrew the fastener so you can disconnect the supply lines. Be very careful not to break any connections. Move it slowly to the direction of the container so that any excess water will go into that container. Repeat the same process on the other side of the supply connection. Then drain the excess water into the container so that you won't have any spillage on the floor. Then you may now unhook the drain pipe by loosening up the tab that holds them together as shown in this video. The next step is to disconnect the mounting tabs and the lift rod from the pedestal sink. Slowly pull the lift rod from the tab that is holding it, just as shown in the video. Use the adjustable wrench to unscrew the fastener that holds the lift rod. Slowly pull down the lift rod to separate it from the other piece. Next is twist the tab that is located in the back of the pedestal sink, just as shown on this video. On the next step, you will need the basin wrench to unscrew the mounting tabs from the pipe. Slowly pull the other side of the lift rod that is connected to the faucet. Now that everything underneath the sink has been disconnected, you may now slowly pull the faucet from the sink. The pedestal sink that we have is attached to a drywall. What we're doing right now is we're cutting the silicone that is used to attach the pedestal sink to the drywall so that we can unmount the sink from the wall. You might find this step very challenging because the pedestal sink is already attached to the wall, but you can always find simple tools from home so that it could help you remove this from the wall. Now that that is removed, you can slowly unmount the pedestal sink from the wall, but a simple trick we'll do is to simply or gently lift up the back side of the pedestal sink to unmount from the wall bracket that is shown in this video. You may now gently and slowly pull the pedestal sink away from the wall. You have just successfully removed your pedestal sink.